rich, but I don't suck dick though. Yeah, couple years I would've been rich, but I don't ride dick like these niggas. I don't jump on no dicks like these niggas. Once in the deal, but they bend like a nigga. Nigga, the proof in the pun. You niggas ain't been like a nigga. Who be talking they shit like this nigga? Making these bitches eat dick like this nigga. Lord, shit pop on my flow is the hardest. I made niggas be 'em like a nigga. Who been turning the streets up like a nigga? Supplying demand, who re up like a nigga. I got turned against it to a fan. Really, who be speaking like a nigga? These old niggas cap, they never sticking to the plan. I could never be just like them niggas. Look, gotta stick to the script. All a nigga know is motion. Niggas thought I was joking. You pick your favorite rapper, tell them send me your open. Look, these older niggas talking shit about me. Now you niggas been poking. Shit, I really been hoping. You niggas get out of line. Any rapper I smoke.
Testing this thing on. Okay, anyway. So, I'm a little tired, but that's the beginning of the vlog. Birthday is tomorrow. Cookout is today. I'm gonna wash my car down real quick. You know, it's a little dirty. Cleaned the inside yesterday, but today I'll be cleaning the outside. Just give it a good wash down. Because we doing some type of car content today. Dad was supposed to come outside. Sean, a couple other people. Hopefully everybody comes out today. If not, then it's just me and good old Orange here. Somebody fucking hit my car yesterday?
Stalking him down, 40 on me, get the barking is out. You're not making it back if you come to the crib, you shouldn't have lost and found. He got shot, why is he thinking he tough? Well, nigga, you ain't been tell. Don't say you choking like are you okay? You gon' be anything be for real. I say I lay on the track cause you really quick to react when you play that shit. You do it so we don't need a pill. Hey bro, he broke my heart when he left. This ain't time for me to heal. Moving up in the whole city block. No talk to the low where they at. We be Xing niggas on the list. Tell me who try to go with him next. But that was his name, we got stepped on. Like, and it ain't no coming back. Listen to 7 niggas in his fucking you like it's not a play with this set. They only want his rap. The niggas know that we I know they like when we sit around with me, but they never around. When we been out, every single time we give them the belt. And that's what you smell like the top of the show. Funny you think he be hot and think he be hot, and now like you better save yourself. So many outs we done gained a belt. He got shot for that shit he proved. He put the fuck in the game for clout. Like she wanna fuck but she late. Like I'ma just take him out. They bring his skin like a 10. He think he hot when his man from melt. Like don't even blow like a fan. How about the fan? Got one way slacking outside. He got 2 straight. We run the field for real. They know who he is. Don't be fresh up. He said fucking you doing the drill. They going again. Every time the niggas going, they clap on the ground. We pull up the spin. Like I'm trying to bust him for real. Let's get out the 10. Like for no one catch him again. If I say it's slick, better not be in the mix. We speaking shit, get him wet. Like I know they lie when we say they round with me, but they never around. When we been out every single time, we don't give them the belt. And that's what you meant like the top of the show. Funny to think he be high, and he be high, and I'm a yeah. There ain't nobody that do it like us, like don't nobody compare. If I said I got your back and you look back, then I'ma be there. Say what they said, they'll never ever leave me, not even here. R.P. Birdie died on his birthday, that shit was not even fair. Like, pull up and we make it lit like the 4th of July, we gon' fly in the air.
today. Birthday barbecue. My birthday's tomorrow, but we decided to do the barbecue today since it's Friday. But yeah, we in Long Island at my fiance's brother's house. So a couple of the guys that's gonna come out today. You know, I said Dev, Sean, it's my friend with the white 5 Series. Then we got a couple other people. So let's see how the day go. We're gonna just vlog all day. Just try to keep the camera on as much as I can. You know, might have to do a lot of like cutting and all that. You know, but ain't about nothing for real. But anyway, here we go. There's my baby right there, baby girl.
I think about all of the ways you turn me on. And my bed gets cold wherever you're going. Maybe I'm a wreck without you. All I do is fantasize about you.
I just washed it today. I made a video earlier of me washing it. Washed it, polished it down. It looks good. Good little wash up. But yeah. Hopefully, before the night is over, this whole area will be filled with at least like 4 or 5 cars of Beamers. So keep everybody posted.
I go love off the wine when me give. Meet me run at the almond tree. Jump the back fence, come in here back free. Me I go make it fly like the...
Want to see how nature works? So I moved my car up so my fiance's brother can move up. We're parking his car. And I get right here. I hit this motherfucking curb. Yo, dog. My tire, dog. Oh my God. The rim, the tire. Fuck. Shit. I ain't even start drinking yet. Which one of y'all niggas bring the fez with y'all? Which one of y'all niggas bring the fez with y'all? The niggas over here at the corner. That Audi is tough though. It ain't your brother's shit. That shit is fire. Looking at that shit is pain. Yo, oh shit, got ambient lighting, we got stars. A word. It's a great opportunity for everybody to beat each other too, because I've been trying to do this for a little bit. Hey, no, every time I look at this one, yeah, that shit clean. That shit clean. Nigga, I'll be walking away in the nighttime and turn back and like, yeah, my bitch still curvy. Right. Niggas always think it's a race car or something because there's no bumper, niggas run up on me. Nah, I ain't gonna find. I would think the same thing. I'm like, oh, this nigga's asleep. Well, I wouldn't even race you because I'm like, you guys. Hey,
Miss Walker, thank you for wanting the verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts before I can
You beam it up too?
I'm thinking about you.
He's trying to get me to join
another little baby.
Come on.
Congratulations.
Very persuasive meeting right now.
I'm
saying it's a lot, but it's not all of us. It was supposed to be an X3. Who Dev, right? He was a Lexus nigga. He can't even beam him.
Still in the moment.
Yeah, I wasn't either. I was started over the Charger.
And
what was
that transition like? A lot going on.
Way better. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I got smoked by a Beamer, and then what made me really switch over, when I caught up with him, and he said at the red light, and I asked him, yo, bro, what the fuck? He said, yo, bro, his exact words was this. Yo, bro, this shit not even a spoil mode. I said, yeah, bro, I'm fucking up, bro. That was exact words. I said, say no more. Say no more, bro. But even with that, Beamers is still smoking the Hellcat just by the power, bro.
As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. Just like a drug.
Garbage?
Pressure, they know that it's hard to be hugged. Sending you Shazam.
You said garbage?
Y'all holding us down. Y'all holding the crowd. You ever need something from me? Don't hesitate.
Huh?
Just hit me and I'll be around.
Oh. So then dump it in the street and then put the cup in there. Mm-hmm. Walk around your car and shit?
I just about to make me a video.
You want to do it? Yeah, so do a walk around in your car. Everybody.
Want me to drive the car?
I mean, you could. I was going to say, everybody do their own little inside out of their gates and shit.
Me say, don't need your throat. The pillows will be coming at your throat. I be walking, don't need your throat. Anything with you for me, you can afford. I see that only, where you get that. You see the two parts of the soft. Jump on the knee, don't make an extra. Me no go be yelling my free. No, she reads the days that he read. She tells me the Latin, the Swiss, the Swiss, but we. Little you're sitting in your clothes. Your wrist then is stiff in your blouse. You know what me love the most. Me love when you dig that wood in your throat. Cause I don't in your throat. The pillows you come in your throat. I be walking, come in your throat. Anything you do me, you go vote. You do me in your neck.
I'm looking at the ambient lighting.
So straight me wanna get down in the light. Hello, you woulda suck a hood. She look on me from head to answer my history. No you name the Almighty. This song with you why you write it. Me tell you anything you wanna know.
Yeah, okay, Gamer Boys, okay, right. I see what's going on. All right, you, okay. As I said, I'm like, yeah. Look at that. You coming, right? I'm coming, right? Yeah, we wait.
Wanna see you with it, show could treat you right. Give me just a minute of your time tonight. We both are here to have big fun, so let it go.
Now come on, Mike still got it. Yo, Mike, they trying to play like you ain't got it. Mike gotta take his time getting up. The hot dogs gonna burn.
Hey, bitches know that I'm peeing, I'm thugging, I'm still in the street. If he went up my arm, let me clean the block and repeat. Get hot, throw that bitch in the creek, hit the spot, it's 100 of I would flawless, my two diamond, boy, this shit wet as a sand. Boy, dumb in the bitch, if he reach, I'ma go to the D. Let's be real, Stevie wanted to see that I'm having this shit and I'm flipped. They just call every week, I can't sound like I can't to be. Plus I touch 80K every week, ain't gon' lie, this shit sweet. Let it whip if he steppin' my feet on my son, you should slide every week. Ever shot out a G with no dice so them niggas can see who it was just to see if they street. Don't get put on the T, on the net tryna act like you gangsta. I got enough bread for the fee. Bitch, you know I'm a G, I got killers, cause straight out the east, they pull up on the horse with a stick. Bitch, I'm fucking for free, don't you dare say the pussy a fit, cause you barely get left in the street. I make 10 off the feet and I ain't touched the bone with some weeks, but I know we're OG for the cheek. Cross the line, but I tweet, gotta know I ain't going for nothing. You think that I'm kicking the scene.
Crazy.
Hey, let it whip in the pot of my spot, all that paddle it out, I for rock, now I'm running my bitch, she controller, she like to keep running my block. Let it whip if he running my spot, let it whip if he think that he hot, just to show me now. Let it whip when I'm spinning the block, we begin if we ain't get him got. When we catch, we pop out of the way,
Big, you staying here? Big, you staying here? Staying here?
For what? I gotta go to work.
Nigga said, for what? I gotta go to work.
Oh, man.
Now we going right up the block to the parking lot, check videos, pics and shit. All the cars. I said we all going up to the parking lot.
Right now? Oh, yeah, I'm about to see this.
I'm weird.
Yeah. I wanna be there. I'm gonna take a picture. I can ride with you?
I think it's another one because me, Leah, Julia. So I think TJ. Somebody else can ride with somebody else too. Like, we'll figure it out.
You going to that punk house?
No.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I hear it's little. It's little, it's there. Okay. You can, yo, when you cut it, you gonna hear it. You gonna hear it. Cause I hear it. You can hear the little, you hear it. Once you cut that shit out, you gonna hear it. You cut that shit out, you gonna hear it. All you gotta do is cut that shit out. That's all you gotta do is drop the muffler. Once you open dump it, you gonna hear it. And then once you open dump it, tune your shit. Shit gonna be like, God. That shit sound nice. That's an open dump. That's how your shit gonna sound. That's just lovely, lovely, lovely. Hey, what you got, nigga? Let me hear that anti-lag real quick. Let me hear that anti-lag. Yo, that shit is crazy. Cause Herb shit tuned also. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, niggas he got scared out on the road, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Cut the stars.
Okay, oh Lord. Oh Lord, look, he got the stars in the motherfucker. Oh Lord.
Come back, wait, hold on.
That was crazy.
The fire's not coming out.
That was crazy. That was crazy. That was ill.
Yo. Alright. Yeah.
Nah, she do got. Nah, she got it. Nah, I heard it.
Yeah, I might want to buy this one though. I ain't gonna hold you. You might buy that one.
Yeah, he's more aggressive. You was just like, but it's still there.
This shit like real.
But it's still.
Jimmy is stupid.
Real. I like this one though.
He's annoying.
Ain't on Sundays.
Yeah, I ain't gonna front.
I thought it was him from Memphis.
I know. You know what Red Battle gotta happen?
I thought it was his.
Devin Herb.
She got some shit.
Devin Herb got a Red Battle.
Yeah.
These niggas right here.
Yeah. He said baby came outside.
Oh no, they good. They good. They with the sun sign.
Alright, so
they probably just see the cars and
They want to see the cars. You know how to spell this people.
Devin Herb.
You go first.
Or her and Dad. What? Oh, it was just this and then this and then.
Shit.
Come on, you right, Mr. Two-Step. Come on, Mr. Two-Step. Oh Lord. Mr. Two-Step, Two-Step. Mr. Two-Step, okay. What you got, Dev?
Somebody
That's the intake. That shit sounds crazy. Yep. Okay. Alright, hold on.
Around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making, but I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind.
Niggas acting like they hurt. I'm saying, nigga, I got River in here with me too. Like niggas acting like they hurt. Niggas acting like they really been with it. The shit I'm wearing costs a ticket. I'm always shit popping, but these niggas be quick, cause I know I got these niggas living. Niggas be dick.